Now we'll have a demonstration of scanned documents with field recognition, sort of referred to as input automation. So I've already scanned in a couple sample invoices, and when they come into the system, all documents pass through this processing queue. So this is where errors and omissions get dealt with. But also those documents that have a link back into Addon come up and they're being held with pending input. You can look at these documents ahead of time and see that one is a made-up basis invoice. And through the extraction rules, we have already determined the contents of these fields from extracting them from the data present in that form. Likewise, this other invoice is a made-up electric utility bill. And likewise, there are add-on values that were pre-assigned as the data was extracted. If something did not get deciphered correctly, you can still edit it at this point. But assuming that everything's come in okay, which is indicated by all the check marks, we can then take these two items and we can actually process them right into accounts payable. Now we will go ahead and process these documents in through the accounting system. You can see that sort of a fill in the blanks. It's filling in the default data for us. While we're doing this, we can also be viewing the document that was scanned in. This is designed to work actually on two monitors, where you could have this display drug over to the right screen and on the left screen be seeing what you were inputting. So at this point, we'll return to the main screen. It's been marked as being completed. I still have these on review hold for the demonstration purposes, but now I can go ahead and proceed with the manual upload into the archive. Our next step, though, is we still have to go to accounts payable. These entered the invoices, but has not updated them, so they're just like any other accounts payable invoice sitting in the system waiting to be updated and processed. Now that those invoices have been updated and the archive has been updated, there's a few things that we can look at. First off, in the archive, we can see that those scanned invoices are present. But since we process these through the accounts payable integration, we have some other ways of getting access to these same documents. By doing that, they've created a link so that if we're in payment selection entry, we can see those. We have a link out to those same documents in the archive. And this also is designed to run on two monitors so that you can see what it is you're dealing with on one screen while you process them for payment on another. The other thing that brings into the equation is that in the invoice history, unlike the payment authorization side, these documents are permanently linked to these invoices. Whenever we do any kind of archiving or drilling down into accounts payable, we are once again returned to the original document that we had started with.